So say unya sika sa uya ne mama yensa fa bi sie fa bi yado ye na kan wan kasa fa twa wanum na okra oh da dia na etimi ye unya sika di Mexican soup why Saudi bia sie I mean to wo shada oba wonkra sabi na to se si anso na wo fa sefo ye wo uja se wo fa no wan mobra enso waja sika gu
ye me ya kra ni so beja ye funa to no resident
sana tie
wo se ya wo to ye funa to no resident
makato se be ma de odidi nso anom kwan wonom kwan eyema obema bia anya macho ne ma ya bema obema ye nti na hodi mbemu a ena ma ya bema oto panso a oto ne pa piu na nsade na ye tik na egu ho ti udidi anom kwan da na che se ne no wanya no help Africa nti o so kaka na ekwan mu ada ho Fufuo de emfa ni kan ni na ya nkwan no uwia ya wonom
menu ni na
and it's there room ni na
say fine like
and then yama o ya be ma na e ba u sisi mu ya de sa na tat o kama heavy we heavy
say me nya ready nkwa men start here there me gin he badingo that's right na me dey chop kwan no proper kwan
mo biem
proper kwan mo a chom fufu no mo me odo ayase
o say
odo ayase
ya de
odo kitu me
Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Africa from Gihok Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. 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 Aha ne bosso, ne bosso. What up? Mumbeti, why say you be an idea, you baby? You bang vampire, you ain't mood the day, no. I'm a bones and a dog in the one piece, no. He said, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom.
Welcome to yet another edition of Fufuo Wo Krom. What you say, the one and only IBK the food machine at the bro. It comes on every Saturday. And never PM our KINGSBY new ACHIMOTA, our KINGSBY Junction. Now you can decide directly opposite Eddie's Pizza, top 2 kitchen. Make a top 2 kitchen there. Now you say bani fufu ni local food sir. How many numero 1? This is yours truly, IBK the food machine. Me na me catch you say I had Diani Edda ni ajiatu. Me kasa enyede. This is my scepter, internationally acclaimed, locally accepted. Me multinational. Jack and then me don't have the right inside. Me have got checking what is inside the wagon. What you see? I see go dance back. Kokosechi. He bend the head and careful pet. Nadi Brai. Chum City Chum Supply. Or so I have for maybe years in anonymous. What you see? Livingstone or say Sripo. The whole by the post up. Dimechi, let's go inside and check what is inside the wagon. Our top 2 kitchen. Who do I call? Aha, somebody can catch us and then when you watch Mota or KINGSBY Junction, there were top 2 kitchen. And Bani Fufuo, I am the only one. I am the food marshal. Yours truly, IBK Bakupe. This is my scepter. Way internationally accepted and recognized. Me call multinational. Me na me can say empunu. Me can choose a head near the me can say nya. Very simple. Yanya Rua Musa na ne kwesiada. Me won say girls are setting and boys so send one corner. Table we am washing kwan pa. Uri adi mechi na me checking what is inside the wagon. Why the guys are souping the soup. You are souping the soup. You are souping the soup. Unia, bibi aboko there. Mo ye brutal pa. Na me feeling mo. Na mami Musaja wudi ni say. Eko. Na eko de no fanti bia. If he go ya. Oh, we heavy. Na senior so eh. Kwajo, stand up a pan no dia na say wa nya chinia obe kwapini na santini.
Oh,
takrade. Ta dis bia. No dia no ye kojo. Enya kojo na anyen. Na wo so eh. Kobna. Then mana wa sati di habe mu fo na ma land won kran ya. Na wa chia won ti Sunday. Na mo hwen kwa. Mami Musa mo top 2 kitchen ba bia mo tidy di pa. Debia Moba. Fantastic. Now, and no question, no, say, I'm a man, and I saw an Amoyan or Hano. Now, can you, did you go hot? Sadia, you mother them, just how she show a fuma. Now you have you. Jack, I know about you then. Who's running Quambang? And a protein ban out here. And money. Upon China Panta, no me man, and us and Hania and the Tekramas in the room. Upon Gia, my dear, what I pay, my dear, no. Now one got only for you. What you move for an Otimika? Aha, now, for a guy. Now, do for a Jack. Open the more dinner pussy. I see, I don't know, and I open the one up and honey hawk. And your friend, horn too. Can I mean, I'll now, my own sound so that me who as a banquine. Now, banquine out here. And 2 boxes, no. 2G a bankati. A bankati. Catibet. There be a catibet. Which in catibet. Fantastic. And a protein ban out here. I say, where I cook on our country. Charlie Cruise into any other the colors from man. We are happy. We are a chedi. But me shower meeting and said that. Oh, my meeting one. About the Association of Ghana.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abibatai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abibatai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abibatai jasmine rice. That's a good time.
Hey, Daddy.
Ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abibatai jasmine rice.
Mr. Pia, what guy is shinkafa the shinkafa no?
Abibatai jasmine sawam. Bow, what me die?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business meeting, or a celebration, Abiba Jasmine Rice elevates every meal. Abiba Jasmine Rice, a taste of togetherness. This advert is FDA approved.
Oh, baby, did you mean I met your baby at Utimidi Wagana? Me catch you say, and Kohanko Didia, and ya, and ye crapini say, ye. Ubedidia, Biani Bakope, Fufuo Wo Krom, you can't go wrong. Now, open local food in Sweden, a man room, if you say. There are places that I have to recommend to you. One of such places, top 2 kitchen. Jack, so we take a commutive in Pennyphone. Almost shrink when Sunday almost a hand on Mutadi. Najadi also not chanities. I feel no better no kind of gusu. Makato was a Bema, you didn't swan no more coin. Oh, no more coin, Yama Obama. Obama be a young macho, Namaya Bema. Obama in Tina, what in Bemwa. And Amaya Bema. Oto Panso out on the park. Now, I didn't take Negro till the album crying. Yaguswa, table way, my Philly table way too much. CCC, my members crowded that. Jack, and no Mushe, no, Omunima Goni. Hey, bra, sister, Patromichecha, many Remuka. How many be too much to the level, say? Mumojin about to more than the sachet.
What you say? Starting the way proper.
To move warming up answer. The friend of Mubedi, the moon and the input. To any warm up. Not for Sundays, I say, and the Asana Motayan. And bending. Hey, sir. The first one I need is Namakoda. Let's have a true deal saying Rashida. And a branch way. Scratch. Bramina, Mecca Brajo, we are guy with her. I was Rashid. Is it your first time? What did you do? What I did do? But who introduced Top 2 Kitchen to you?
I know the owner. They see you. He's my friend long.
It is how you hire your home man. Unya daji how you cover. Don't plan kwase bia. Sa uda ha ni. Na otishe mu ano no. Na na dia na obedi. Ubedi fufu ni mmekwan.
Akon check up. Abuso bona mpa.
Hey sister. Unim de. Share. Can I know the ginger? No agidi emi waka. Okro. You can be oh. This is also an overji. Oh, warm me up. Now, black father, I'm feeling no. Sana. What? There be some of share now, but she ain't pokra the anchor. I said no so ade ni o say unim una mo ma Ghana ni abi ma ka che say ukọ America omo tom product ukọ China ni ton product Ghana for here there when you 3 musketeers where if you give up distilleries 3 musketeers and Herba Freight Mandingo and a Castle Bridge where you give up for na omo no ma so ase ni ade dwuma de we bra e do ti ja obedi dia no watwa kakra fufuo de emfa ni kan ni konkonte emfa ni kan ni bibia obedi bia e se onya lawyer kakra no mu bie kwan mu ma yo wani abi na we obedi bia
say me ready nko men start here there me gin Herba dingo that's right na me dey choke kwan no
mo bie
proper kwan mu a cham fufuo no mo me odo ayase
o say
odo ayase
ya je
odo kitu
hey kwabra me se me ya Ghana akwa wa cheme pa
kitu metro
odo ayase entani ya metimi ajo odo ayase ya no mu cha ne tota no mu cha
David
ya de toso
ya de fufuo no so
ashabe
no odo ayase mo odo ayase mo akosomu no mo samo kakra choke one side
ya what if me no o so odo ayase kitchen way mo odo ayase wo ho me ba mu nya me odo ayase o so odo ayase bi wo ha de pa munya me aponche so a ba ko odo ayase mienu ya so mo ye di menu kan ono so penu for this how pede aza so ani me ba ko aponche so a sister ani fanu fo na me fa aponche so o na se ya we ne da ngene na ne no ene ya ba change majinu fo no afa hwa no that of course na boano right observe it meaning panyufo na akase o so omo nchiro mo ho o se kwasi ada this is how they do it oni pa makacho se onya sika sa wo ya ne ma miensa fa bi sie fa bi ya do ye na aka no wan kasa fa cha wanum na okra oh that dey timi ye onya sika di Mexican su wa ya Saudi bia sie ami to wo shada o ba wo sabi na o to se si anso na wa fa sefo ye wo ko ja se wa fa no wa mobra enso wa just ka go
ya me ya kra ni so beja ye funa to no resident
sana tie
what's that to ye funa to no resident
Fufuo Wo Krom fufu ai obiara bi fufu ai achemfu kwa fu e ya pemfu bi se obiara bi fufu ai ye fufu ai asante fu pe fufu ai na fufu Ghana mangina bi se obiara bi fufu ai ye burodi ye fufu ye bedi ba ye de fufu ye bedi mengen fufu
boom boom aya ses maludu fufu e bon to tutum fufu mu to sutum anana adwobrel where ya fufu mu to sutum maka cho se obedi fufu a enko ba bi ya de machine wo fufu enye ya wo ya na nanom start we ya mfa machine wo fufu enne yare aba ko ba bi a ye won wadrom eya didua ena ewo ebi na ekoso wo top 2 aha bawo akwa no me musa na se unya tweme be jam jen ja na de o de adro na ofufuo na na
na me star boy
one star boy no me je utu mi ko ti mi ofufuo no emperor me jina na me mfi za uti mi one atu adro na wo ma na da wom star bi sa wo so asa o de ba wo sese so ya fia ni bi o ba ho ni wo mo peden fufuo mu doggy akwa ya fucking Sister Obia, now the younger side say, Auntie Grace, when you must what tuntum say na about tuntum, yeah, now for you. So many, oh, Tata Joya, Talaji, yeah, flat your mamba. There's a so many ufi sra area one side bank or do masse. I'm Jimmy wo pa those mo festival the papa obi ba manage I feel we member festival no na ayi fufuo no wo wa utimi ka fufuo ade kase bebre sa why there how many years nya wo kan fufuo
2 years
tuwa na wo kan wa na from ye bibia great time ben na ya mo de mo bunch siso mo dwa wa na udwa hifo na edwa wa na udwa ne body ni na ono so count na mo dwa by him at 5 enough. Am I late 6? Next so. Aha. Se said yeah. You read the engine room of Top 2 Kitchen. The catch us a company there on the engine room. This is the engine room of Top 2 Kitchen. Baby Fufuo no nenya mania men kwan ne koso no. Yen kwana me ne mami a o frem Fufuo ni nkomo. Anwa fe kwaso kaka mami na waka dia wo ya de wo ye bruta pa. Udi ankasa de sen.
Pacho me di Grace bread.
Grace bread do. Wo fi sunyan. Pacho de. Na bread do dia wo fi. Achimtafo. Na se kukrantumi de ofi mi kromo. Wa sha me hoda.
Pacho de.
Ana woni me. Achimtafo o tafo na new tafo.
Yo new one.
New tafo. Akim Koko eti Agbe town. Low cost. Now sani kofi ba ko be pon. Ahe san na wo. Wakre. Na sa wo quarters echi ho. Tontro kwan na no bi de no. Minim tafo pa. Ahoy mi krom. Aha. Be sia wi nua ha. We heavy. Eti we no ye wono wa ha. Ma me Auntie Grace no mu wa. Na mo de aba na wo from na wo siesie ansa na o de ama mama nom na service no so magusu no mo de ko adwuma wa ye no for how long?
2 years.
2 years. We obi a wo kan pa wo pe wo hu
ye bibia
when you be right. The woman in charge nankasa no of the soup no engine room ha no ona person me ni din komo 1 or 2 na ma me want to say
na me adom na so
na what shall me so apa udin dey say
e from me Georgina Twume so
Auntie Georgina wo fi
ifra Asante Achimwago what you dey ekro
beautiful na mami Musa why you adwuma o Top 2 Kitchen if you do say
but me boss wanante 3 years
ni na we obi a now uni Fufuo ho adwuma de dansa na
Pacho Asante Achimwago na bi etwa the friend oboji special
the friend is saying
oboji
special it is say obi bi so run o great then Top 2 normally mo yan kwan do say da ko bia
Pacho ye akoko fresh ye cool no
and I went to akoko kwan ye kom ni ahwade
aw kono ye obeku
amo to we nya akoko fos
Debbie
we original akoko we dey meti cent ne crash
we original
mo dey akoko mesa to
bi bibia wo eko yie
500 extra that's one of you
aha so ya ponche krakra
enu ni num kakra
ponche krakra
ene term
bibia wo entintini wo bibia
beautiful next one here abenkwan na abeno de nam ne wo
na twinam kotodwe
breakfast na dem
breakfast bibia twia
na de na to aso no
na we so yankatekwan
nkatekwan na kotekwan
kote
nkatekwan
aha
na no hwan
na wo ha so ya brampu adwen ene nwa emre nyina bibia bi wo
nice
we so ya mutuo ba benku na asasisi ya
that's right be kan bi esa na mo kan gum ebo
esa na ye kan gum ti ba esa na ye kan gum we so ye Fufuo bi ato ye begu so ama no
aha ne boss ye fa wa ponche krakra emu de papa inkrani bidi ya o singo mi papa agranti ya na sadowa upe sumunam ye wo me kwanga bunu kati konto na twie ni yakokon ye burade ye fufu ye bedi
it is still on your Top 2 Kitchen but who say we a senior papa so much settle general nankasa na wa the general what I say captain ba kupe na unsa squad no ma set it couple all correct na unsa Sunday di ekoyie pa na say am musa o na ukwasi ada no otaye ni say won every time say oje ne kofo no relax at them na odidi wa acha on Top 2 oh nice na o favorite uba pa dia na otadi fo any live soup aseti akoko kakra we so akoko ne sire ni nyina ya made nkrumani ade de da so ja na cha say no wanya no help Africa to over so kakra na ekwemu ada ho Fufuo de emfa ni kan ni na ya nkwan no uwia ya wonom
me no menu ni na
adentina ya wonom ni na
say fine like
ana bia na yama ho ya be ma na eba wo sisi mu ya de sa na tata o kama heavy we're heavy. That's a taste wumpa. And I have African and so the hands what you have to one time. Jack, we know we're gone high so be a who now me be say be catch what I say Captain Papa. On now what you know. Shatter me no new heavy butter on channel console. I only cruise behind, new cruise beside near dinner, chino. Omo correct pa. Some kasa said the anis when you ma now kasa. Joe now also Joe one look can aba. About one knows one now was you. And I know the we are. After we will be. That's right. Now who's what Jaben coin? What type of any pound? Any fufu and then protein now there upon chinkwan and any tuna heavy na fufu no so you try say obi on him chop money that for me no oba say no mo ye o onim kwan no ma feel it would did how many years ni oh be 5 years ni na say koyie obi okay okay unia enjoy mama what I say enjoy mama we are about so no that natural mineral water and no so much to when they see and on have African soup unia you go top 2 kitchen any penifo kase any med dim komo e ba ni fufu didia anasa ope local food there uba KINGSBY junction na wabusa say we top 2 kitchen Jack but South Cent no TV no that tete onte kako krawo kakao yes I am the food marshal me na me catch us say hwamwa me kasa eden so eden me Ghana ha me catch you say chop ba bia bia ne yeda na ichi menko enya ne mo me kasa eden so dia na eden and that's what you have captain what you have chairman that's a top 2 kitchen there yeah how much I'm right here you want to KINGSBY junction here directly opposite Eddie's Pizza udu anabra na bedidi what you say konkonte wo mutuo wa ha fufuo wa ha bibia bia probia obenya bia di abusia for say there coincide na me ne chairman nankasa kotwe one on one what you say Jona na bibia boko there oh chai radio bibia boko fantastic oh a very beautiful place pa that's it yeah. Mami Musa, why top 2 kitchen? Oh, it didn't feel bad, then it didn't buy. We didn't dear a buy me. I'm with Nancy, and I'm a train. You saw it, Reno. You saw it, and I'm said no. A piano, Papa. I a feed I have a continental residential. Yeah. And I'm so what then? Maybe. Dwenti say nti me ne me yere dwen ho no so okay fine ene mimia na yembo modian na yebie nti yebie and me started with continental that's right na me started with continental no so nan kofo busa top to chale bo modian na busa local na mo busa local nti na me guys no e push me am so chale yebebem nti yede ne kakran na nyam ya do ma top 2 ababejina nti di top 2 no nipa me ensan ya de nipa me na ya de nti top 2 no ya only me na me yere nti money top 2 no yes fantastic I feel na mati that's a kwale dini pa dini sofa dini fa pa nti na just say moye continental na mo san ye local be cook me won say na ade ba ko ma pe wo ha ne say I don't know how you do it but the cleanliness of the environment that's it ambience and environment in baby are clean baby ofufu me de mani ahwe eduma ma ya che baby wa kwa won say kitchen in shada mfa but we no kitchen ni ko mo fra no so hu sisie no ade na mo ka kire mo nti o mu nyina ya smart oh eduma we no eye nipa hu eduma na ha de yeah it's all the time we are no ye aduane eduma dey I always have to be neat that's right because obi ba na o nya kono a da me so duane so nya kono enti nipa na o wura mu no onya wura mu no hwe environment no say chale ya ha neat even your workers no cry no they dress nicely that's right enti e mo duane so we there e be ya okay that's right yeah. That's right wife or you be na ope the passion into these things and as a one kasa oh me ankasa na my wife and so no the passion share duane na me ankasa support one kasa you like this you want to see people happy because my year juma hotels oh that no wonder my spirit no yes and my name penny for baby giving good food to people and kasa no ya na ye na enuane papa no aduane de obenya baby but ne papa na ho na that's why I like adwuma we bi because so far my bet to atitiri wo ha so mu didi nipa ba ekomo anya atitiri ne ma person nkofo didi fili utie hu kwan no mete sent no me no kasa ekra bofa me so ma no aba pa mpesa me no kasa ntentem na ko tumi ko jine de
dog in the one piece, you know. He said, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha, ne bosso. Aha, ne bosso. Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha, ne bosso. Aha, ne bosso. Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha, ne bosso. Aha, ne bosso.
I find I do me so. The great one for one. IBK the food marshal. Jamano ba mano tatoso. Mama me da so what? Oh, great no. We are heavy. Sarah mano atoso no dey. Me waste time. At this time, I say me akudie ni na egu what I say. Before the o corner na ni mu a. What I say. Akudie ni na meyi. Be di dia gu mu say peche. Nti ase akwashefo. Me dia no. Oh dia say. Nanya ni say na ma wo hwe me saka credit. And one is a man that didn't know you show a plain water on chassis. Yeah, very cool, babes. I feel that twice, you know. Anymore. If you any kind of animal into it calls for celebration. Let the spirit come. I'm invoking them to guide me. It is always a sip or two of water. Now I'm on quick digestion. What you say? There's only one drink. A ton have a freak. Never be a queen. Cheers. Yeah, really, sir. No, and I'm really a tuna. How can Coco. Salmon. And a double. Maybe I do a think I now. God bless the farmer, the cooker, and the eater. Da, it is there. But there's only one place. Top 2 kitchen. We're down here the buta. Oh yes. I walk on so no. I mean, yeah. I do have. Now me when you want Hebrew ta. Onya na ka ya me. Wo untimi nya me. Me so me ntimi nya wo. Elephant you, elephant me. Akoko kon de me papa. Oh. Locate top 2 kitchen right here, Accra, Ghana. New ACHIMOTA, KINGSBY Junction. Yeah, na pe bia benya. Fufuo Wo Krom emutuo. Another. Did you go me? I'm going to put there pressure on me so. On this same motive, wow. I am the man with the scepter. Mami mo hi na me ho nya hi. Nkwa na so ahye. Mami mo hi. Mami ho nya hi. I'm gonna add the fucking. Moving on that note, you'll share next week. A different location, same host, same crew. This has been yours truly. I became the food marshal. Yeah, my free young of that.
Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom.
Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Darrow Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.